Top 3 ways to fix Apple ID locked for security reasons. If your Apple ID is locked for security reasons, try these top methods to unlock it. Firstly, open any web browser on your device. You will need to go to Apple I Forgot website. Type in iforgot.apple.com. After that, you will land to a website like this. Here you can easily reset your password. Enter your Apple ID email and follow the prompts. You will need to verify your identity with your phone number, security questions, or two-factor authentication code. Now here you will need to enter your screen lock passcode. If you want to use another method, click on Forgotten the passcode. Once verified, you can reset your passcode and unlock your Apple ID. For another method, go back to your home page and open Settings. Go to your Apple ID on the top. Go to the option Sign in and Security. Then select the option Change Password. Now again, you will need to enter your iPhone passcode. After entering it, you can reset your password. If both of these options are not working, then the final option is to contact Apple Support. Visit Apple Support and contact Customer Support. Select Apple ID issue and follow the prompts to get help with a locked account. You may need to provide proof of identity such as purchase receipt to verify ownership. That is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.